Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your account on the Brilliant application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the More button down below, which is the last option. Click on Account Settings. Scroll down till you find the Export Your Data button. And here, as you can see, there is this Delete Your Account and Data function, including your account, profile, and analytics data. So tap on it if you are sure that you would like to get rid of it. Here you should type in your current password and tap on Confirm. As you can see, you need to enter your password in order to verify that you are sure you want to permanently delete your account. Your account data will exist in backups, which are retained for 64 days, after which they are destroyed. Tap on the button Confirm, and then your account will be deleted. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.